What's up guys, it's BrnanaBrigade72 here, and I got my hands on the Random Booster Volume 29. I'm really excited, wondering what I got here. So our choices are the new Chain Kerbeus. We have Drigger here, probably one of the best remakes that's out there right now. A Roar Spriggan, sorry. Chain Ragnarok, Dynamite Kerbeus, or Cyclone Valkyrie. Really cool stuff. So let's get it open. And from the looks of it, it's Cyclone Valkyrie. Okay, here are all of the parts. So let's just go down the line here. We have a Valkyrie 2 chip. Very nice to see. Funny thing is, with this, I could technically now have a complete Savior Valkyrie. There we go. One thing I did notice though is this front tab does not really come out that much. Sort of like springs back and barely moves. Oh well. 3 armor. One of the more lightweight armors out there. Still nice to have. Cyclone. Here's my other Cyclone layer, and yes, I did put the stickers from this Cyclone onto this one. Why? Because it's mine and I can do what I want with it. Giga. The nice heavyweight disc. Always a nice addition. To be honest, I'd go for something like Over first, but then I'd choose Giga. High Eternal. This is the main piece for this bay. If we compare it to Hasbro's, it is significantly taller and way cooler because it's in clear plastic, and it actually has the palm ring here. I'm very excited to see how this one will hold up. Alright, no in-game battles or statistics since these are Takara products. So that means more time for IRL battling. So I'm going to put it up against Savior Perseus. They share similar medals, but we'll see which driver shall do better. Let's go. You can definitely hear it working. Okay, initial thoughts from the first battle. You could definitely hear this working and preventing it from scraping. We almost burst Perseus though, which is good. Bearing still has more life after death though. Savior Perseus wins by life after death, thanks to its bearing driver. Alright, our next and final opponent will be right spinning Astral Spriggan in stamina mode. see the life after death working. Not sure it's gonna be enough though. Wasn't. And the winner of this one is Cyclone Valkyrie. It was close, but I think this one goes to Cyclone Valkyrie. My final thoughts are, it's pretty cool. One thing that I noticed is that you have to gain the center first if you want to win. Like you saw it with Spriggan. Once Spriggan made it to the center, Valkyrie couldn't make it in and just wound up losing. But once Valkyrie got to the center first, it was able to hold its own and win. So there's that. Overall, parts wise, I give this a solid 8 out of 10, because 3 armor could be better, and Cyclone could have been, I don't know, Astral or something. Just something with a little more weight to it is all I'm saying. Like heavier right spin stamina blade, but overall it's pretty good. Another thing I really liked is how well the burst lock was. Valkyrie's teeth are really good. Yeah. Valkyrie's teeth, new teeth are pretty good. So, I liked how it all fit together. So I stand by my statement with 8 out of 10, maybe 8.5. I hope I've given you enough information to make an educated purchase. Actually no, because this is mainly luck, unless you're shopping somewhere where it actually gives you the guaranteed pick. But yeah, other than that, happy hunting, and hope you live, like, subscribe. BrnanaBrigade 72. Bye bye.